kalau ila oi kun nan rame run sura anak ila oi.
Immediately, the disaster triggered rapid response from corners of the world. Thousands of people from more than 50 countries and 900 organizations worked hand in hand to rehabilitate what was lost. This was one of the largest humanitarian missions ever undertaken in history.
We have the energy, the commitment, and the will to make all this happen. We greet 2006 with confidence and resolve. We will rebuild Aceh and Nias, and we will rebuild it better.
Through the hardships and perseverance, the global collaboration has helped the people of Aceh and Nias enter their bright future. In 4 years, more than 140,000 houses built, connected with over 3,600 kilometers of newly rehabilitated roads. 70,000 hectares of farmlands revitalized, 1,100 health facilities, and 1,800 schools built along with 40,000 teachers trained. Together, this brings the communities back to life. This is a humanitarian achievement of a united world.
I want you to know that I won't be satisfied until you have decent homes and job opportunities so that your children can grow up with a renewed sense of security. I will stay the course and work with you to sustain the promise of a brighter future.
In the beginning, reconstruction partners faced a number of challenges. One of them was the unsettled safety situation in Aceh. Thank God that on the 15th of August 2005, the peace agreement signed in Helsinki ended the long period of instability and brought about relief to the Acehnese. A new chapter in the lives of the people of the veranda of Mecca began. With full support of the government of Indonesia, along with national and international donors, reconstruction works were quickly underway.
From Aceh and Nias, from Indonesia, terima kasih dunia, thank you world.
Apa yang telah kita lakukan bisa menjadi standar, bisa menjadi benchmark bagi upaya yang sama, baik di dalam negeri maupun di luar negeri. Oleh karena itu saya justru merasa bangga kalau pada tanggal 24 April nanti ada satu kajian di Perserikatan Bangsa-Bangsa New York untuk kita bisa berbagi pengalaman, berbagi pengetahuan yang bisa dijadikan